Hi everyone, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is simple stamping. And we're going to make this, let me put this up, this fun, quick card. What we're going to be using is we are going to be using the Daisy Lane stamp set. We are going to be using Memento black ink. We are going to be using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Balmy Blue cardstock, and we are going to be using the Perennial Essence Designer Series paper. First off, I cut the Designer Series paper in 4-inch strips, and now I'm just going to cut them a 4-inch strip. Let's bring this up a little more. I'm going to cut in 5 1/4 so you can get 2 out of that. 5 1/4, and then I like that, so 5 1/4. Now you can make 6 cards out of 1 page of Designer Series paper. Now this is just going to be quick and easy. I'm using up some of my Designer Series paper. I am just going, and I'm going to be using some snail, or you can use glue dots, whatever you like. And I'm just going to, oops. Reasons I don't have my glue dots is they're packed. And I am going to put this right like that onto that cardstock. I am going to take the smile there you go. So that's a quick, easy card. You could step it up by using a punch and doing that on that and stamping on the punch out, or you could even add some glitter, some Wink of Stella to the flowers. You could add a bow, you could add almost anything for it, or you can even make it smaller and then layer it on some other pieces. Please buy from me. I'm a small business, and I really would like to continue my business. You can follow me on YouTube, and all the information to make this is down below. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.